Hey, you guys, we're gonna make some super quick cauliflower mashed potatoes. First thing we're gonna do is take all this out and put it in the bowl. Microwave safe bowl. Got a little bit of water. Yeah, got that with a nice tight fit. We're gonna steam this stuff in the microwave. Okay, now I drain the water. Okay, now that I've drained the water, I'm gonna just start mashing it all down. Just get it as thin as possible. I like it thinner rather than chunkier. And then we're gonna work in some sour cream and then some cream cheese as well. And I also have, you can either use mozzarella, but I have some regular kind of Mexican style blend cheddar cheese, and either one's good. Of course, we can't forget butter. I'm not gonna go heavy on the butter because we got some extra cheeses in here, and so this is about all I'm gonna add right now. You can put this in a food processor and that's fine, but it makes it nice while it's hot and you've drained the water real good to go ahead and add the cheeses, because it'll blend real nice while it's hot. If it's cold, if you wait till this is cold, the cream cheese obviously won't break down as quick, the sour cream or any shredded cheese you use as well. So again, just kind of make this to taste. There's a handful of cheese there. Let's get started with that. I'm not going to go too heavy on this, on the shredded. I'll go ahead and take some sour cream, work it all in. Yeah, like I said, you can put this in a food processor, but this way, I like this way better. You can use like a food masher, kind of like this too, to get things going. And some sour cream as well. Sorry, that was cream cheese. And to put some cracked pepper on there. The shallots, the onions, the shallots really make it. So I suggest adding those on there. Super good, especially fresh out of the garden. Wow.